everyone. Wow, it's good to see you again. I love that you're coming to this channel and learning some ukulele. Beginning ukulele. I'm looking forward to sharing lesson number 3 with you today. Lesson number 3, well, it's going to get a little bit harder now, but let's review what we've done so far. I'm sure you've been practicing at home. We learned about the basics of the ukulele, its parts and everything, the strings, and of course remember the fret. We've learned how to hold the ukulele correctly and strum with your thumb or even the back of your fingernail. 2, 3, 4. We've learned to strum with a couple different chords, the C chord and of course the A minor chord. And we even learned how to strum going back and forth from those two chords. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or even like this. Ukulele, ukulele. So hopefully maybe you even wrote your own songs doing that. Have fun with the ukulele. I think it's meant to have a lot of fun with. So enjoy. Let's get started today on lesson number 3. You have your ukulele. It's up next to you. You're holding it correctly. Put your ring finger on the 3rd fret down, and that's what chord? Oh, I guess I can't hear you from here. The C chord. And now let's strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's go to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now the 3rd chord is an F. So we went from a C to the A minor. Leave your middle finger on the 2nd fret. And then put your pointer finger on the 1st fret, the 2nd string. You see where my finger is? Look on the screen at the picture if you're not sure. But that is an F, just like that. So notice how the A minor, this finger, and then it just stays there, and you put your pointer finger, your number 1 finger right there. Okay? So let's do this. Just hold the F position and let's strum with it. Notice it's a little bit more difficult to strum because we're up on the 1st fret and it's a little higher, it seems like, because it's closer to the nut up here, which means we have to push a little harder with our pointer finger, our number 1 finger, and remember we have to use the tip still, and so it kind of puts a big dent sometimes in our finger. You say, well, that hurts. Well, you'll get used to it. Just keep practicing. So that's an F. So let's go from a C to an A minor to an F slowly. Ready? Put your finger on the C chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, then I'll go to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now I'm going to go to an F. Do you see what I did? I just left my finger here and moved this one down. Then I'm going to go down to the C again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Very good. I know it's going to take practice. At least I'll give you, that's something you can practice. But I'm going to show you one more strum. Now the strum is, I'll go slow for you. It's a little bit more difficult, but you'll probably use it a lot with the ukulele. So let's just start back with the C chord. And this time instead of going 1, just 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to go like this. To keep your finger or your thumb loose. If it's too tight, it's going to just make all sorts of noise. All right? Relax and just go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now when you go up through all the strings. And when you go down through all the strings. Just practice that. If you have to do it without the chord at first, just do it. Practice playing smooth. There you go. Or with your finger. 1, 2, 1, 2. So when we're doing that, you can count. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. A lot of people count this way though. They go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Or they count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But either way, you're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's important. That's a lot for you to practice. To end, I'm going to end the same way I started, okay? I came in whistling a song, a part of one, but I was playing the C to the A minor to the F, doing the down up strum like this. Hey, I've given you so much to practice at home. Have fun practicing and enjoy your ukulele. Look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.